It's a 2019 Audi S5 Sportback. When you look this good, it's hard not to be confident. When you perform like this, it's downright impossible. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, front heated sport seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.